Good morning, Plantbox Innovation members and growers. So, if you're newbie, okay, let's discuss the most important tools that you can use in order to determine if your setup or your liquid solution, if you're using correct key, is at the optimum level of the measurement that we require. So, so to do that, of course, you need these tools. These are parameters, but there are a lot of parameters that you can buy online, and you can buy those sophisticated one. But this basic tools is what you need if you're starting out your hydroponics growing, right? Because it's simple, easy to manage, and of course accessible. Okay, so let you be introduced to the TDS level, or the total dissolved solids. This basically measures acidity or alkalinity of your water, especially if you don't know if your water source has a good um, you know um, let's see, good source for your plants. And of course we have pH meter, and pH meter is very important because getting the right optimal level of pH level would enable your plants to grow um, quality and healthy, right? So the case we're in, if your pH level is at not at the range or optimum level of required pH level, there's a tendency that your the roots of lettuce, for example, will not be able to uptake nutrient solutions from the pocket. Like for example, this, right? We're using this one, and well, this is in the germination phase, right? But if you are transferring your plants from germination phase, it is important to maintain correct pH level for your required pH for your plants itself. So basically, what I'm trying to say is there are different pH requirement and TDS level requirement, EC, ppm, and every plants. So we cannot say that pH level for lettuce it applies to all vegetables. No, different crops, different pH and TDS level requirement. Okay, here's the catch. Here's the problem. We have discussed that pH level is very important, but if your pH level or pH meter does not give the correct measurement, that's the problem. So to have a correct, and not only correct, but optimum level of um, pH level, it means that you need a tools, you need to have a pH meter that has a good condition, especially the battery. Okay, this is the case we're in. Um, your battery is not functioning well, and you need sometimes to get another one from Shopee, and becomes more expensive for your part. But you can save your PS meter by changing the battery. So the battery itself, you can buy it in digital stores. It's good to buy those things in malls because they have a informations, and they have this warranty as well, and you can get those and you can ask questions from those agents. Okay, so let's discuss pH meter. So pH meter, um, if you don't have one, and normally you are not doing pH measurement in your hydroponics growing, that becomes their own problem. Why? Because facing those problems has you know has data, has information. If you're not getting the correct data from your plants, you will not be able to solve the problem itself. So you cannot manage what you can control, right? So getting this pH meter, a condition one, a good quality one, is good for you, right? Okay, so what if your pH level is not functioning? To check it, you need to open this at the bottom of your pH meter. Just pull out, and when you pull it out, you can see this battery. Okay, so this battery sometimes, if the storage of your pH meter was stuck for so long, there's a tendency that this battery will be emptied. So you need to change this you know this battery. There are two batteries here, and then as I said, you can just buy from the provider that I have told you. Those best, those who has a warranty system. All right, so this is a way to check. No, normally if this is an old battery, normally it has some, some grease, some, you know discolored in the battery itself. So let me try to see, get this battery for you. Right, so you need to get LR LR40. I don't know if you could see it. It's too, but it's too blur. I'm trying to figure it out so that you could see. Anyway, this is LR44. Okay, LR44. Because every battery has this code, and you need just to tell the agents that you're looking for this specific code for your runner. Okay, if you're not sure, you can just bring this along with you when you buy the battery. Okay, all right. So this is it. This is for the pH meter, and I will show you how also to do it with the TDS mirror. So the same problem, if this is not really functioning well, it will give you an optimum range or optimum measurement. So it means that this could impact the way you wanted to have a specific data from your hydroponic system, because we're growing not in soil. So there's a tendency that there's a change in weather conditions. There's a tendency that the pH meter, TDS meter, or the EC meter also changes. So you need to check, monitor from time to time. This is tool that will help you to get what you need to get, to know if your hydroponic system is at the optimum level of the parameter that you require. As you can see, I just pull up this cup here at the bottom part. I mean at the top level. Alright, so this is the one. Okay, you just pull this one up, and as you can see, there's a battery here inside. This one you need to change, and the you need to find the CR2032 3 volts energizer. Okay, and there are different types of this depending on the quality and also affordability, right? So you need to find this for this one, for your TDS meter. Okay, that's it. This is for today, and I hope you learn a lot from our tutorials, and we also from time to time we have this tutorials or discussions, so that those Plantbox growers and members and partners will be able to have a a guide and they can just watch this guide, this video whenever they want or whenever they are free, right? This is for today, and we will be posting more about growing your own plants in your backyard in a modern way. Right? This is Renz from Plantbox Innovation.